Welcome to my channel. I'm going to show you how carpentals are fitted on a staircase. This carpental comes 500 by 500, so we cut it in 3 pieces so it fits 4 treads. So we've already cut them beforehand. Using U2 is a tachyfire adhesive. We fit the risers first, and then we put the nosing on, and then we just use this brush to put the tachyfire, which is a carpental's adhesive, on the tread, just like that. And once it's tacky and dry, we fit the carpentals, and then you just follow it. Put the tile to the edge of the nosing, follow it with your blade, cut it. So you just put it against the nosing, press it in, and it's done. There we go. Right, this is all done. Hope this given you an idea, and good luck with your future project. Thank you very much. Bye.